So if you make a product, especially water-based products, and you do not preserve them, uh, just get ready for that product to get spoiled, like as quick as you can think. So let's go to the next one, which is number 9. And the number 9 on my list is chelating agents. Chelating agents is the group of ingredients that support the protective valuable ingredients from oxidation. What it means is that they helped in protecting our products from oxidating quickly. Like our preservative, they help our products from oxidating quickly. So this group of ingredients is very, very essential when you are making your skincare products. Example of chelating agents, we have disodium EDTA, we have sodium phytate, we also have sodium gluconate. So this group of ingredients, they help our products, they help protect our products from oxidating quickly. So that is it about chelating agent. Let's go to the next stage, which is number 10 on my list, essential fragrance oil. Okay, so this group of ingredients are known for their aromatherapy properties they add to our product, and they are also potent and consecrated. They are used in a very minimal rate or percentage, so you don't overuse them because they are consecrated. Example of fragrance and essential oil. To mention few, we have frankincense, we have peppermint essential oil, we have geranium essential oil, sweet orange. We have a lot of them that you can use in your product. You can either use the fragrance or you use the essential oil. Most of them, we have them in fragrance oil, we have them in essential oil. All right, so let's move to the next one. And the number 11 on my list is surfactant. Surfactants are the group of foaming agents that we use to degrease oil in order to be washed away easily. Products like dishwasher, body wash, hair wash, shampoo, and all that. So surfactant is what we use in such products to degrease oil or to wash off dirt. An example of them, we have foaming apple, we have cocoa betaine, we have HCl, sodium lauryl sulfate, we have KOS 40. We have a lot of them that we use to make products, and those are classified under surfactant. Let's move to the next one. The next one on my list is aesthetics. Aesthetics are the group of ingredients that beautify our products. That's what it does. They add extras to our products so that it can be more suiting and attractive. So example of aesthetic on my list, we have rose buds, calendula pentars, rose pentars, chamomile herbs. That's what it about aesthetic. Let's go to the next one. The next on my list is number 13. We have conditioning agents. So this group of ingredients, they lubricate the skin. They add lubrication to your product, especially when you're making body wash, when you're making liquid soap. Adding a conditioning agent to it is very, very important so that it can lubricate your skin. Example of conditioning agents, we have polyquaternum 7. Yes, polyquaternum 7 is very good. I use them in my products, especially when making body wash. I use polyquaternum 7. It's very, very, very lubricating. We also have hyaluronic acid. We also have sorbitol. So we have a lot of them that we can use in lubricating our products so that it can be suiting when using on the skin. So let's run to number 14. Number 14 is solubilizer. Solubilizer is a group of ingredients that increase the solubility of another product. Hope you get now. So there's some ingredients that are not easily dissolved. You cannot use one ingredient to dissolve them. So you need a combination of ingredients to dissolve them, and which falls under solubilizer. So there's some solubilizers that you will add that will help to dissolve those ingredients quickly. That is where solubilizer comes in. An example of solubilizer, we have polysorbate 80. So polysorbate 80 helps in solubilizing another product. We also have propylene glycol. Propylene glycol also helps in product penetration into the skin. We also have glycerin. Yes, glycerin dissolve product, but there's some ingredients that glycerin will not dissolve completely. That's where polysorbate 80 comes in, and a lot more other ingredients. So that is it about solubilizer. Number 15 on my list is preservative. This type of ingredients prevent microbes from growing in your products after making them. So if you make a product, especially water-based products, and you did not preserve them, just get ready for that product to get spoiled like as quick as you can think. So preservative, this group of ingredients is very, very crucial. It's very, very important to use when making or when formulating a product. So they prevent our products from microbial growth like yeast, fungi, bacteria. They also extend the product shelf life. So they also ensure safety and efficacy. Adding preservative to your product is very, very crucial and essential. Okay, so we have a lot of preservative that we can use in our skincare formulation. My number one, Derma Plus. Derma Plus is a broad spectrum preservative. We also have Phenolip, Optifilm, we have Lesgard. We also have chemical preservative like paraben, phenolethanol, and all that. Those ones are chemical based preservative. Okay, so that is it about preservative. So let's go to the number 16, which is the last one. And the number 16 on my list is pH adjuster. So after making all your products, the last stage to conduct on your product is pH. Testing the pH of your product. That is when you're done making a water-based product or any product that includes water, you have to test the pH of your products and adjust it according to the pH of the actives you added in the products. So don't worry, we are still going to get to that stage where I will teach you how to calculate the pH of your product based on the actives you added. So that is where this pH adjuster comes in. So after formulating your product, you adjust the pH either to increase the pH or to lower the pH. So we're still going to talk about the pH generally on its own. It's another topic. That is where you will learn how to adjust your product pH. What is pH itself? Now we are still talking about the groups of ingredients, which pH adjuster is the last on the list. So example of pH adjusters, we have lye, which is sodium hydroxide. We have potassium hydroxide as well. We also have L-arginine to decrease product pH level, citric acid, also lactic acid. So those are the pH adjusters to adjust the pH of our products. That is it about the pH adjuster, about all the skincare ingredients. So those 16 ingredients are very essential. I would advise you go over the video to understand very well and make more research. You can't just get all the ingredients in one day. You have to keep searching, keep researching, and having your knowledge wild when it comes to these essential ingredients in formulation. We have loads of them, and we can start to mention all of them. You just have to make examples out of them. So that is it about the 16 essential ingredients in skincare formulation. So that is where we're going to be dropping this topic. So don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and also share, like, comment below. See you in my next video. Bye.